On top of page 210, underneath the first two bullets, highlight the next sentence. I think the state may ask you this question. It says, insurance follows the vehicle, not the driver. I believe that is a state exam question. Why is it important for you to know this is because your clients will ask you these questions. Well, what if I allow my minor child who just obtained a driver's license, can I loan them my vehicle? Yes, you can. And remember, your insurance follows the vehicle. This is easy to remember. Remember, on the insurance ID cards, we have the year, make, model, and the VIN number of that vehicle. It follows the vehicle wherever it goes. And if you were to loan your vehicle, and you can do this, you give someone permission to drive your vehicle, they are involved in an at-fault accident, it goes against your policy. Why? Because the policy follows the vehicle. Remember, it follows the VIN number. That might be a state exam question and answer. On page 210, we go into the conditions. You already know exactly what this means. Remember, under the conditions of our policies, conditions are duties and obligations required. And remember, that is on the insured and the insurance companies, either working together or separately. We have duties and obligations that are required for us to work with each other in good faith. So you already know what this means. Page 211, at the very top, we've seen this before. We'll see it again. The state may ask you this question again and again. Keep your answer the same. On top of page 211, it says, the policy applies only to accidents and losses that occur during the policy period shown in the declarations page and within the policy territory. Here's your state exam possible question. Highlight the next sentence. The coverage territory includes the United States, its territories, possessions, Puerto Rico, and Canada. Covered autos are also insured while being transported between the territorial ports. Highlight the next sentence. This may also be a state exam question and answer. An insured may not take legal action against the insurer until they have complied with all the policy terms. That's easy to remember. Remember, under the conditions, those are our duties and obligations that are required, that we work with each other. You've got this. On the bottom of page 211, we go into the assigned risk plan. Every state exam I've taken has asked questions here. Let's go down to the second paragraph. Let's read this. You have a state exam question here. Let's see if we can find it. When an insurance company cancels or non-renews an auto insurance policy, it must notify the insured of their eligibility for the assigned risk plan, known as an AIP, in their state. Highlight the next two sentences. I think this is another state exam question. Assigned risk plans or automobile insurance plans are voluntary agreements between the insurance companies licensed in a particular state. These companies agree to share the poor risk among themselves. The insurance industry, we have what are called the assigned risk plans or the assigned insurance plans. This is where people who have poor driving records, their premiums are sky high, the insurance companies, they agree to insure some of these risks so that these individuals can get insurance coverage. It's important that society, that we all have insurance policies. I think the state is going to ask you a question here. Now, this is really mean. I've seen this before. I don't want the state to get you on this one. Remember, the answer is in the question. You just have to recognize it. On your state exam, if you're looking for the assigned risk program, but in your book,